Hi everyone, welcome back to Kintech, the channel that brings you all the full tech stuff. So today in this video, I'll be demonstrating you guys on how to use a VLOOKUP in Excel 2016. So, and stay with me. I have a cool tip. So if you would like to grab it one, just watch the video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe. The notification bell for more. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So I have Excel 2016 here. Let's click that one and then open a template book. Then we'll do yeah, that's it. How to use VLOOKUP. So before using VLOOKUP, you have to create a small table. So let's create a table. So that's name. Let's say product. Enter some random names. James. John. Ila. Jonah. Choice. So we have some 6 random names as I just type in, and then the product they have bought of this, the product that they bought, it's person bought. For James, we say rice. Noodles. Noodles. Bought biscuit. Bought biscuit. Killer bought Coke. Bought a Coke. Rice, and then 3 packet of noodles, 6 packet of biscuit, 3 Coke, 5 Sprite, and then $10. Then the price is, let's see, 1 packet of rice, then the biscuit. It's just the same, 1.5. Sorry. auto calculation using a formula instead of calculating manually. So before every formula, you have to enter a equal sign before. I like the product and the price for the first, and then hit enter. You see, if I goes to 25. So Excel is see the total price and the price. They are just like another ordinary numbers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the currency symbol. But there are two ways that you can put currency symbol. So I'm gonna show you both of them. One, you just highlight those numbers here, and then you right click, and then you go to format cells, and then there's a pop-up window, and then you go to currency. Then here you can increase the decimal place. You see 3, 4, and then you see there's an increase in the decimal place on the sample. So we will make it to 2 decimal place as default. Not too bad here. So that's it. And then select which one your negative number would be like. So that's it from there. And then click OK. That's it. Our values, price and the total price are in currency. That's for the currency now I'm applying it is for Papua New Guinea. But you can use for American dollar, Australian dollar, whatever you can use. Yeah. So the other way, so for now we're gonna do this one, and then you go up here under home tab, symbol here, symbol icon here. Then you click more accounting formats. And then another pop-up window here for the format cells and to click currency. Then same thing as I've explained in the first place. So you just do as what I've said, and then you click OK. So you see it's showing us the currency symbol. So that's it. But as you can see, our table is not looking good. So what we have to do is we have to highlight all of these, and then we go to the font section, and then let's border them, all borders. Now it's looking a bit nice. Yeah. So we're gonna highlight this one and make it more even look nice. So let's head back. Black. That's it. Now it's the time where we're gonna use the VLOOKUP. But before using the VLOOKUP, we have to apply a validation. Before using VLOOKUP, we have to put data validation for the names. Like we want to find. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write names here. Names. Yeah, and then let's say products. Here now we're gonna create a data validation, a drop down list here, so you can easily click any person names you wanna click. So you're gonna create a data validation. So in order to do that, you go to the data tab here, then under data tools you click data validation. The pop-up window is now here. Under settings you go, you see criteria, and then allows these are different types of what the validation criteria is about. So it allows validation criteria allows any values, whole number, this date and so on. So what for today, we are going for the list. So list, and then you hit the tab, then move to the next line, which is source. So we're gonna select our source. So our source is the names of the persons, of the person that we are going to deal with. That's it. Before doing that, we have to click any person here on list. Let's say for John, we want to find the product that John bought. So we're going to use the formula VLOOKUP. So in order to for you to use VLOOKUP, first, any formula you want to enter, as I said earlier, you have to enter the equal sign. Then you enter VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is here. Then the Excel is asking us, what's your lookup value? Oh, my lookup value is I'm looking for John. Then where can I find John? John is in this table here. We are instructing the Excel. And then in which column can I find a product that's bought? You see, this is simple. The product that John bought is under column 2, or eating. How we read column in Excel is column 1, column 2, and then column 3, column 4. What we're gonna do is we're gonna write or enter column. And true or false you want. True is approximate match, false is exact match. So we go for false. Then we close the formula. Then it's enter. John, where's John? Oh, John bought noodles, you see. And then from the drop down list, select any person you wanna see the product they bought. So Jonah, where's Jonah? Jonah bought a Sprite. Jonah. Okay, you can do or you can apply data validation and VLOOKUP. Using data validation, then you can use VLOOKUP to find for the find any or the total total price that any person in that of James, John, Limo, anyone is list here. So let me show you another one here. So we're gonna find that. So that's a name. Names. Total price. We're gonna use data validation again. It's already in the data tab. Data validation. Select list. Just the same step of some earlier. Our source should be we enter the equal sign of VLOOKUP. Then before that, select any person here from the drop-down list. Equals VLOOKUP. From this table, and then we want to find out price qualified, and then true or false. Yes, you want false and seconds. We go for false. Tapos na formula hit enter. That cost killer is 10, but the values are not the one thing that I've realized is the values are not in with the currency situation. It's very simple. So you're going to just right click, then you go format cells and then currency. Okay, that's it. Now they are in currency, so let's say that's fine. Where's on Ghana? This one. Choice. That's it. That's how you will gonna use Excel then using the formula VLOOKUP to do the calculation. It's very nice. So this is how you gonna use VLOOKUP in Excel 2016. So you guys earlier that I'll be showing you guys a tool, not a tool but a tip. I have a tip for you guys. So I hope that this video is very helpful, and guys have learned something from this video, like how to use VLOOKUP. For now, I think you guys are confident enough to at least solve some question related to VLOOKUP. So the tool that I've been promising you guys to give you at the end of this video is how you can use Excel. You can use Excel to enhance your knowledge. Excel, but other sources. So you go to your browser, like for me it's Google Chrome, and then you type, that's what I'm about to reveal you guys, the tip that I was promising you of. So you go to your browser, and then on the search bar you type W3 school. .com. Internet connection is very slow, but anyways, this is the site I was talking about, www.w3school.com. Site where you can go and enhance your knowledge on how to use Excel. This is an online platform, online sites where you can learn Excel, not only Excel but other like Java, C++, HTML, many more. So you go to www.w3school.com and go and explore what is there. With that, love you all. Bye for now.